Okay guys, I'm gonna show you your slew brakes, trolley brakes and your hoist brakes. So on your slew you actually have a physical button here, so that's your slew brake. Say if I slew right a touch, you can see the crane is now slewing. Yeah, it's coming to a stop, and I'll put my brake on just like so, so you can hear the brake come in and out. You hear it come out, go in. Here you go. So you can hit clang clang. Yeah, look, out, in. Yeah, so you actually have a brake here, and alternative you have the emergency brake. So emergency brake will stop everything. That's for emergencies only, but that will also stop your slew and your hoist, but that's for emergencies only. On the slew, as you can see, you have a delay, so the fastest you're slewing, the longer it will take to stop. Also the wind direction and speed also will affect as well your stopping times. So as you can see now, crane carry on going and going, as you can see that, and down is stop now. Put a brake on. So if I was going faster, so then it will take a lot longer to stop. So I go second gear. Yeah, yeah, there you go. So let go of it, look how much he's gonna carry on going. You see, some cranes doesn't have back notch. If I try to go the other direction, see, it doesn't brake on this crane. Some does, this one doesn't have it. So you can see it took a lot longer to stop. Yeah, so on a slew you will have a delay, and also depending on your wind direction and wind speed and the speed of your crane as well, the speed you're going. So all of those factors will come into play on your stopping time on a slew. When you stop, then you press your slew brake. Yeah, in case of an emergency, yeah, you press your emergency brake. Yeah, now go for the trolley. The trolley work pretty much the same thing. So if you go is automatic, you have no button to stop the trolley. Let me just hoist up a bit here. So I'm gonna hoist up a bit so you guys can see better. Yeah, that's probably enough. So let me bring it a bit closer. So first gear, if I stop, the hook block will stop about the same place. But if I'm coming fast like that, yeah, and I stop now, yeah, you notice that? Notice the trolley? We do it again. Takes about a meter or two to stop, look. Yeah, I stop, I let go of it, look. Yeah, put it close so you guys can see. See the trolley? So I'm gonna go out now, flat out, yeah. I'm gonna stop now. Yeah, you see? So it's gonna go about another meter or so. So it's not gonna stop straight away, and it's an automatic stop. So it's no button here for you to press to stop it. It's nothing like that. Same happen on your hoist. There's no button to stop it. It's an automatic stop. The only way you can stop that within a brake like situation, like a button, it will be your emergency stop button. As I said before, it will stop everything. So you don't want to do that. Just in case of an emergency, you can use that, but that will stop everything straight away. Like, so if you have a load on the crane or something like that, you know, you make sure it's safe to stop it straight away, because you know. Okay, so let's go for the hoist. Let me bring the crane to the right side here. So we're going slewing. You have gears on the slew, yeah, second gear, third gear, yeah. So you have gears on the slew, gears on the trolley, and gears on your hoist. So there will be gears in all of the controls. Gonna have to get used to the gears. Yeah, trolley out some more as well down there. Okay, I'm happy with that. Right, so now we're gonna go for the hoist. So again, you have gears, so I'm gonna bring them up. This is first gear here, it's coming up slowly. Second gear, third, fourth. Yeah, see what just happened? See what just happened down there? So it's what we call an overrun. So on your hoist, depending on the number of falls, so you can have the ropes going once or twice, 3 times, or even 4 times. So if you have like, or even more, but if you have 4 ropes, on tower cranes you most find about between 1 and 4. You see 4 ropes on the going up and down into the hook block. Yeah, it's actually 1 rope, but it just goes in and out through the shivels. So it's 4. Yeah, so the force of it is equivalent to 4 ropes holding it from the hook block to the jib. So the more falls, the slowest it is. Yeah, and then it depends on your hoist motor speeds and all of that. So going into the overrun of it, so you're gonna go down, let's say flat out, top speed. There you go, it's building up speed. It's about top speed now. So what happened now, we're gonna see when I stop it, like now, I'm gonna stop it right now. There you go. Look at it carry on going down, you see? Now you're gonna go do the same, up. Look how much is gone. Like, okay, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, you notice that? Try to be a bit closer. Okay, let me go down again. It's building up speed, and I'm gonna stop it now. See what's happening? So you carry on going and going for at least another meter or 2. If he's on 2 falls or so, it will probably even go more. Like, so you have to be careful on your gears because of the overrun. There is no way to stop it. Again, you have no button to stop it, unless your emergency button for emergencies only. So that's pretty much it. This button here, some cranes have it, some don't. That's what we call a creep button, or a slow half a speed button. So when you press it, it goes into half speeds. So let's say I'm going first gear, now it's actually half a speed, so 0.5. So if I go into second, it will be a 1.5. If I go into third, yeah, it will be a 2.5. Yeah, and so on. So this is what we call a half speed. Yeah, so if I let it go, we'll see you go faster. Yeah, so that's your half speed buttons, or the creeping button, or the slow button, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, that makes you go into half a speed. Yeah, if you press it, you go first gear, half a gear. Yeah, don't know if you can see the difference. Let me check it down there. So go half a gear first, see half a gear up. Yeah, that's first gear. See the difference? First gear, half a gear. Yeah, this is a bit slower. That's the one. That's how you do this one.